Tonight to celebrate you, both those of you that have been in the College of Education before, those of you that are brand new.
Absolutely. Welcome to Kansas State University and welcome to the College of Education. Teachers have power. That power allows you to impact lives.
I don't think you realize just how big of an impact you're going to have on kids. And for that, again, I say, thank you. You've made the right decision.
I promise you that you'll walk out thinking that was the best decision I've ever made in my life.